Hey everyone, welcome back to the Permabear. This is our Sunday stream, October 27th. And here in this channel, we're trying to annoy the bears. So, anyway, we're here to give you bearish insights in the crypto markets, and we do this to have a skeptical view of the markets to avoid being suckered into hypes and degen plays. So if you're a cautious investor, then this is something that this is the channel for you. Okay. However, if you're someone who is not willing to take risks or who's afraid of gambling, then crypto is not for you. So maybe you need to explore some other investment instruments, and definitely, well, actually, all investments are gambles. So maybe you just need to look for some other sources of income. Maybe investing is not for you. So, but if you're considering investing into crypto, you have to set your expectations straight that this asset class is really a high risk move or a high risk deal, which if you're not prepared to lose, then you're probably better off going to just some other safer investment instruments. Okay, so before we proceed, I would like to welcome everyone to this Sunday broadcast. And if you're on YouTube, make sure to subscribe and share, like, and also on Facebook. You can also comment. Okay, maybe we can try it. I'll try to check to see if commenting is already active, and if it's working. So let me just try to chat. Let me try to chat here. Hello everyone. Okay, so apparently Facebook chat is not working. How about YouTube? Let's try YouTube. So just bear with me a while. I just need to test things out before we move further. So I am pretty sure I already made it work on YouTube yesterday, but just to be sure, I'll try to chat here. Hello everyone. Okay, so apparently it's not working again for some reason. Let me check for that setting again. Oh yeah, I think it's working now. So on YouTube it worked. Okay, but on Facebook apparently it's not working on Facebook. So I will need to check my configuration again. So yeah, if you want to see your chats shown in the live stream, head on over to YouTube, and then you can chat in there. So for those who are on gate.io, you can of course chat, but I haven't seen any solution for chats on gate.io to show in the stream. So I'm just looking at the chats in a separate phone here. So just chat in git.io, and I'll make sure to respond to your comments. Okay, so let's see. Let's now check on Bitcoin's charts first. So we'll review what Bitcoin has done the past few hours. Okay, so yesterday we saw that the dip that happened. It's a major dip, and as we've discussed yesterday, the dip was caused by the Wall Street Journal article about the U.S. Department of Justice's investigation of USDT or Tether, and FUD related to Tether really is a major thing in the crypto markets. If Tether collapses, then it would cause it will really greatly affect all of the crypto space, since USDT is the majority stable coin that's being used in the crypto market, in the crypto space. So yeah, so let's see. Actually, after the dip, Bitcoin rebounded a bit, as you can see in this last two candles here. So we're seeing Bitcoin recovering a bit, but of course we're not sure whether the Tether FUD will be sustained. Okay. So we're going to now show our checklist of the things that we discussed here. So it's a Sunday, so there's probably not much news to take a look at, and also the stock market. We're probably just going to just review what happened last Friday, and also the Bitcoin ETF flows. We're also just going to review what happened last week. The Fear and Greed Index, the RSI or Relative Strength Index. We're going to check on that as well. Then the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. So that's what MACD means. And then meme coins, of course, our favorite topic. We're going to check on meme coins towards the end of this live stream. So yeah, let's proceed, and let me check on some news items to discuss. I think I saw this news from CoinDesk, and this is what we're going to discuss first. Okay, so it says here that crypto rally foiled by report of DOJ probe of Tether. This is what I was telling you about. So let's zoom in on this news item, and let me read some parts of it. So Bitcoin appeared poised to make another run at $70,000, but a WSJ story, so that's a Wall Street Journal story, of a criminal probe into stablecoin issuer sent prices tumbling. So I think we had discussed this yesterday. Okay, this is exactly the same story. So there's really not much news happening on Sundays, just like regular newspapers, I guess. So yeah, let's just highlight this last part that we also discussed. Talking to X shortly after the story, Tether Chief Technology Officer Paulo Ardoino said WSJ is regurgitating old noise. There is no indication, said Ardoino, that Tether is under investigation. So, yeah, in most cases, these companies will really deny these allegations, or they will claim not to have received summons or maybe invitations to reply to the complaints. But anyway, in the next few days, we're probably going to get a bit more clarity about this issue. If there's a new investigation or if there are new complaints or criminal charges against Tether, then we're going to see if this report is indeed true, and if it is, then it's really a major thing. Most investors really get scared by lawsuits, and as we've seen in previous cases, most investors or most whales really try to stay away from investment instruments that have quarrels, you can say, or have cases filed against them by the government, or and this is the U.S. government. Of course, this is major, and most investors will just look for other assets to invest into rather than risk it and maybe lose if in case the government cases progresses. So yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying your Sunday wherever you are, and I'm the Permabear. This is Bronin. Before this, of course, it's my nickname. Okay, and if you're new to the channel, I hope that you will subscribe on YouTube and then follow on Facebook and Gate.io. If you don't have a Gate.io account yet, I have a link or a URL on top, bit.ly/_gate_io. Just go to that URL and sign up for a free account on Gate.io if you want to get started in your crypto journey. Gate.io offers lots of promos. They have lots of free airdrops available almost daily. I think there's new airdrops coming, and also by watching live streams of Gate builders or content creators in Gate.io. You will also earn this free airdrops. Okay. So when you get airdrops, of course you can buy more of those tokens if you think that the token will gain profits. Okay, most of these new tokens, of course, drop in value, but there are some that go 20x, even 100x, and just being lucky and investing in one of these tokens will really make you happy. Okay, so that's it. So if you don't have a Gate.io account yet, just you know what to do. Okay, and let's proceed and see. So actually, this is really just the major news that is worth looking at right now. This is the major FUD that happened, which caused Bitcoin to dip, and right now we're looking at Bitcoin at 67K level, so 67,095 to be exact. And in my opinion, this dip will probably still go on, or will still continue. We may see some other FUD or an escalation of this Tether FUD in the next few days. So I'm not sure if the Department of Justice will issue a statement or will formalize the complaint, and we'll see what happens. If that will really happen, then we're going to see Bitcoin dip even further, okay, and maybe even below 60K. So, but my estimate right now is just 62,000 to 62.5K. That's that's my estimate as to where Bitcoin's dip will go. Okay, and measuring the time when on this Bitcoin dip, it's already seven days today. So yeah, Bitcoin may start a rally or a recovery rally if the FUD will stop, or if there will no if the FUD will not be sustained, then we can expect a Bitcoin to rally. Maybe this week, this incoming week. But in my opinion, okay, we still have 1 week left before the elections happen on November 5. Okay, and yeah, so I'm expecting this bear cycle or this dip cycle to still be sustained, and the pump I'm predicting that it will happen right after the elections, when the next U.S. president is already been proclaimed. So that since we know, or if you still don't know, most investors like certainty. So it doesn't really matter. So some analysts say that even if Kamala Harris wins, or whether whichever candidate wins, it will cause Bitcoin to pump, or most markets to pump in that case. So gate user, so what's this? B1222334. Thank you for dropping in. Hi to you as well, and I hope that you're enjoying your Sunday. And I hope that you're relaxed and enjoying the live stream right now. So we're discussing. We're actually just recapping what happened last week, and the reason why Bitcoin dipped, and there's still uncertainty right now. Okay, so the Tether CTO is claiming that this is just a rehash of some historical criminal complaints against Tether. So we're not sure where Wall Street Journal got its information. So we're not sure if the case has been escalated, or if this is a new case against Tether. So, but if there's really any truth in that report, if the case has already progressed or has escalated, then we may see some further fear in the market, which will cause Bitcoin and of course the entire crypto space to dip. So just and if Tether will lose the case, that's really very crippling for the space. Okay, it may cause Bitcoin to dip below maybe to the 40K level or below. So maybe around the 40K. That's what I'm predicting if Tether will, if this Tether FUD will escalate further. So, but right now everything's just speculation. So we're still not sure where this FUD will go. Okay. However, in the short term, based on the charts that I'm going to discuss later, I'll show my basis on why I'm still expecting Bitcoin to dip in the coming in this coming few days or the week. And yeah. Okay, so let's now proceed to maybe taking a look at the stock market. And let me just so this will still be last Friday's Um, okay, last Friday's stock market charts. Okay, okay, so I'm still loading it. Okay, so we see that the Asian market is mixed, and yeah, small gains and small losses from the stock markets of Asia. Okay, so for the euro stock markets, so same, so no major moves really, and the U.S. Markets. Okay, so the VIX negative or plus 6.55%. So, however, the S&P and the Dow Jones are really the major markets that we're looking at. Okay, so there's really not much movement here. Okay, illegal worker. Okay, Georgia's ruling party. Okay, so we're okay. Wall Street braces for a big week ahead of the election with mega cap tech earnings, key data on tap. Okay, so expect some major volatility this coming week ahead of the elections. So as I've mentioned, I am expecting Bitcoin to still be on a downtrend, and however, it may flip soon since we're already on the 7th day of the bearish movement, and anytime we can already there's a chance that Bitcoin will flip to the upside, since some whales may front run the pump that will that we can say is inevitable on November. Okay, since historically speaking, the October, November, and December are showed tremendous pumps in the markets. So the RSI is very strong during periods of during the said period, October, November, December of halving years, Bitcoin halving years, and yeah, so that's what we can expect. So yeah, anytime soon, Bitcoin may pump because of whales front running. However, on the flip side, if as I've said, if the Tether FUD escalates, then that will really be crippling for or that may cause Bitcoin to dip somewhat. Okay, but we can expect definitely some pumps come after the election, and then or after the next president has been proclaimed. Okay, so let's see. The next thing that we're going to look at is the ETF flow. And if you've been listening to my previous live streams, I mentioned that this Bitcoin ETF is really the major driving force, which is driving Bitcoin's prices. So right now, retail investments are still very, very negligible. The most people, or majority of retail investors, are, you can say, staying away from crypto with everything that has happened before, the scams, the hacks, and FTX. So all of these things have made retail investments or retail investors stay away from crypto generally. So unless of course, so they see maybe adoption and maybe the government's making more regulations, more laws regarding this asset class. Unless we see those things happening, retail may continue to shy away. So, however, the institutions are already coming in through this Bitcoin ETFs, and we'll see. We're going to. If you have been listening to my live streams previously, we all know that Bitcoin ETF flow has been net positive, maybe for 2 weeks now. So let's see, Bitcoin ETF flow. Are there any recommended cryptocurrencies? We're going to see later a restart. Thank you for dropping by this Sunday. And we're going to check on cryptos that we can take a look at. Well, these days I'm actually just interested in meme coins, and of course just Bitcoin and Ethereum. So generally, I'm not suggesting to buy any tokens right now. Okay, since my stance is, of course, I'm a Permabear. So this exactly is the time when I'm warning you not to buy anything yet. Okay, if you're looking for short-term gains. Okay? So, but of course, I'm expecting that Bitcoin is going to make some big moves this next few months. Okay, if you agree with me, then you can already DCA. So, but if you're looking into short-term gains or buying a coin today and then profiting in the next few days, I'm not into that, or I'm not recommending that you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum for that matter. So but if you want to gain exposure already and you want you agree that Bitcoin is going to pump in the next few months, then you can already DCA into Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of the other L1s. Solana has been strong. Aptos has dipped a bit, somewhat, but these are some tokens that are promising. So of course, there's also Toncoin. You can also probably consider buying some. If of course, if your time horizon is maybe 2 to 3 months at least. So, but if you're rushing, if you want to gain profits soon, then just wait for my meme coin recommendations. Okay, so you're welcome, Restart, and yeah, we're now going to check on the Bitcoin ETF flows. Yeah, we can review last week's data. Okay, so I think we've seen this yesterday as well. So yesterday, as usual, BlackRock is the major contributor for the net inflows, and we see that there's 5.88K of inflows from BlackRock. So this one, so IBIT is BlackRock. So we see 4.27K from BlackRock yesterday, and BlackRock, you can see, has been DCAing every day for the past 2 weeks. Okay, and the only day that we see outflows is October 22. Okay, so this is really the driving force behind Bitcoin's pumps recently, as I've mentioned. So without these institutions, these big financial institutions buying Bitcoin, because through these ETF instruments, um, Bitcoin may not be in these levels. So we'll see if if these institutions will get affected by the Tether FUD that we've seen. Okay, and yeah, I think we have an admin. Okay, so thanks admin for joining and sharing with our viewers red packet. So don't forget to claim your red packets before you leave, and of course please stay a while so that you can get your airdrops through this red packets that's been shared to us by our admin. And I hope that you're enjoying your Sunday, and I hope that I can provide you some valuable insights today in this live stream. And so I'm just encouraging you to be a bit skeptical and to take caution in your investments. Okay. So let's see. So this is the ETF flows that we've seen, and judging by this, if there's really no FUD that's happening, we can actually say that Bitcoin is really due for a major breakout. Okay, just by looking at this flows, and yeah. These guys are actually hoping that this accumulation from these institutions will encourage retail investors to come to follow suit. So yeah, that's what the Bitcoin maxis are hoping for also. So their line of thought is. Since these big guys are going for this cryptocurrency class, the retail investments may be encouraged to go in as well, since this is the wave of the future. So that's the narrative, and yeah, but by just looking at these numbers, it seems that they're putting their hand where their mouth is, so, or they're putting their money where their mouth is, and they're really accumulating Bitcoin. Okay. So of course this comment is really not bearish. I want also to be balanced in my insights that I share to you. I try to give it. I try to call a spade a spade. So this is bullish. I admit that. And however, even so, even with these numbers, something is really preventing Bitcoin to getting past 70K. And if it cannot break through 70K soon, some analysts suggest that Bitcoin may break down. Okay, so that's what the Bitcoin bulls and the Bitcoin maxis don't want to happen, and they're trying to push Bitcoin's narrative to the hilt. And I would think that they may succeed. Okay, I also believe that it's inevitable for Bitcoin to stay below 70K until the end of the year. That's really the bears will really have a hard time to do that, especially because of this ETF numbers. So we'll see how things will unfold, especially after the presidential elections. So, but in the short term, as I've mentioned, I will have to stay strong in my belief that Bitcoin may still dip this next week, this coming week. Okay, and of course, there's a possibility that it will flip positive sometime this coming week. Okay, but if some whales will front run the incoming pump. Okay, so that's it. But I'm still thinking that that a FUD, probably this Wall Street Journal Tether FUD that has started. It could be this one, or some other FUD may still come up. Okay, and when the FUD is already at its peak, probably by the end of the week, that's probably the time I'm going to buy. Okay, I'm going to suggest that you buy. So I still don't believe that this is the bottom of this current bearish trend. Okay, I'm expecting it to be at least it should go down to at least 62.5K. So, but or lower. So of course, here in the crypto space, we want to buy things as low as possible. So I would want to see Bitcoin dip lower than 62.5K. Okay. So we'll see. Okay. So now let's move on. I think we have discussed that point extensively, and let's go to a fear and greed index. So if you want to join the discussion, you can of course chat in gate.io and also in YouTube. So on YouTube, you can I should be able to see your comments in the live stream. So it's cool to see your chats in the screen. And while we're at it, you can subscribe to the channel as well. I'm planning to improve on it and put more content in. So just search for the Permabear in YouTube and subscribe. Okay, so yeah, let's pull up the fear and greed index right now. So we're now on greed zone, still on greed zone. It seems to have actually bumped up a bit. I think yesterday we went down to below 70. So, but right now we're back to 74. Okay, probably because of the ETF flows that we're seeing. Okay, and the Tether FUD seems to not be affecting this index, the fear and greed index, that much. So maybe it affected it a bit. Then when the Tether CTO issued a statement in X assuring the public that this is old news and that there's nothing to worry about. So maybe the markets have realized, or maybe they believe that. However, I'm still going to keep my eyes posted on the news, or follow this events, okay, and see if either the Wall Street Journal or the USDOJ we'll have a follow-up report on this matter. Okay, and well, if that's not going to be the cause of dips, some other FUD may also happen. Okay, but I'm expecting that we need to go to the fear zone, the fear zone a bit. Okay, this coming week. Okay, and that will let off some steam of the previous run that Bitcoin has done. Okay, and it's a winding up. So I would hope, or I would expect that Bitcoin will let some steam off. It will dip, and this fear and greed index will probably go to the fear zone. Okay, and then when there's already fear in the markets, that's the time I would buy, and then that's the time I'm going to expect that Bitcoin will fly, maybe beyond 70K, probably 75 to 80K. That's my conservative estimate this November. Okay. So, but I would like Bitcoin to go to the fear zone before that happens. That's going to ensure that Bitcoin has enough steam to really guarantee that the next push will have enough strength to breach through that 70K resistance. Okay, so we're now going to go to our next topic, which is the relative strength index. And if you're new to the channel, I hope that you're finding these discussions entertaining, at least entertaining, and maybe helpful to your strategies and investments. Okay, so let's now proceed and go to Bitcoin's chart and pull up the RSI. Okay, so for those who just came in, thank you very much for dropping in, and of course, please wait for your red packets to be claimable. Just need to wait a while, and you'll see the time on your screen for your red packets to be claimable. Okay, so I'm hoping that you're enjoying your Sundays wherever you are, and I'm from the Philippines, if you're wondering. Okay, so we're now going to proceed with our discussion about RSI. So we saw RSI breach the overbought levels. Okay, and as I've said, at the minimum, I'm expecting Bitcoin to see this arrow. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to at least fall to this level, the 50 level. Okay. However, for me to be convinced about the next push, I really want to see Bitcoin being oversold. So if Bitcoin goes to the oversold levels, that will certainly ensure that the next push will have enough strength, or enough rocket power to go beyond 70K. Okay, right now, if it's just going to be sideways movement, if Bitcoin will not dip, I really doubt that Bitcoin can go past 70K without dipping a bit further than these levels. Okay, so yeah, so that's as far as RSI is concerned. But if we look at the RSI, historical RSI, let's clear this. Let's clear this first. So historically, yeah, let's identify the having years of October. So this part, this is October. Where's that? October 2020. So this part is around October 2020, and which 2016. Let's look for October 2016. Okay. And I believe this part, okay, is October 2016. So these are the having periods of the previous having periods or having years. Bitcoin having years of 2016 and 2020, and as you can see, the points where October is, it's really you can say that it's somewhere. This is where the RSI actually gains strength, and you see the run that has happened after the period. It's generally the time when the Bitcoin push is happening. So and you can see that the point what we are at right now is at the same almost the same levels as the previous halving years, and we can speculate, or if history rhymes, okay, if history rhymes, then we can expect that Bitcoin's RSI is going up by during on the next few months, okay, and it may reach the 90 point levels of RSI, which is really extremely high. So that's what we're expecting, and that's one of the things that I'm looking at. And I believe that that Bitcoin will really push. Bitcoin's price will really go up this next few months. Okay, but however, the next few days we need to expect something to happen that will probably support that push, that next push. Okay. Well, of course, you can argue that the Bitcoin, the steady Bitcoin ETF inflows is sufficient enough to guarantee that the next push for November and up to the end of the year. Yeah, you can say that. So we'll see. We'll see if the only thing that we're waiting for is really the start of this next pumps, which can be probably confirmed when Bitcoin goes past 70K. And I believe, as I've been saying, that this push beyond 70K will happen after the elections, the U.S. presidential elections, to qualify it even further. Okay, so yeah, let's clear things up here. Yeah, anyway, let's move on to our next. What's this? So let's go to our daily charts. Okay, so next we're going to discuss MACD. Okay. So yesterday, I believe that I discussed this point that I'm going to tell you. So we saw Bitcoin's MACD line cross the signal line towards the downside. So please wait. I'm just need to do something. Okay, so yeah, going back. I'm sorry about that. So the MACD line has crossed the signal line, and this is an indication that Bitcoin's price will dip even further. Okay, the momentum is going to the downside. Okay, and this is one of the other reasons why I believe that the Bitcoin's price will is going to go down further. So yeah, this is what the charts suggest, and now we can expect that yeah, that in most cases it really has a momentum effect. Okay, and we'll see. In the past few weeks, we see some whales maybe causing this pumps, this weekend pumps, and we can actually see this happening in meme coins as well. That during weekends, some people pump these coins. And even Bitcoin, we see that Bitcoin has pumped considerably, or has been saved somewhat during weekends, the past few weeks. And yeah, we'll see if this trend will continue, and we still have a day left in this weekend. And usually there's I've seen some huge pumps during Sundays in the past few weeks. So we'll see if that will also happen today. So again, the MACD suggests that Bitcoin's price will probably go down even further, and we'll see if there will be another news or other macro factors that will come up in the next few days that will confirm this downward trend suggested by MACD. Okay, sometimes the charts will tell us something even before the news come out. So it appears that it's true that the news follows the charts and not the other way around. Okay, so that's it for our MACD discussion, and we're going to now proceed to our favorite topic, which is meme coins. Okay, we'll check on CAT. I think that this is the coin that I've been watching previously. So CAT has dumped considerably the past few days, and I was hoping that it will still. Okay, let's check on the RSI. I was hoping that it will go to overbought levels. So we see that it has not. It did not reach. Okay, this is the highest point it reached. Okay, let's zoom in so that you can see it more closely. So the RSI did not reach 70. So it did not reach overbought levels, and it's now going down. So I'm okay. So I'm still not going to recommend that you short this token at the moment, since it's possible that it may still try to rebound and go back up. Okay, so it may go back up and breach the overbought levels first. Okay, so just be careful on if you're thinking of shorting this coin, especially if you're a bear who is into momentum betting. Okay, and yeah, so although of course the MACD suggests that the MACD line is seem to be poised to crossing to crossing the signal line. So it may this chart may suggest that it could be profitable for you to short this, but I don't think so. So I'm just to be safe. Okay, we really want the RSI to reach overbought levels first. Okay, so once it reaches overbought levels, that's the time I'm going to suggest that that we short this token. Of course, after being overbought, we need to see some action, some other charts that will suggest that it's really already on a downward trend. Okay, but for now, we need to wait. Okay, we want to wait for it to be overbought first. So that's how cautious we are in this channel, and we just don't want to jump into to betting or to shorting these tokens. So PopCat is our next one. Let's look at it. I think I already shorted this token. Okay, so we saw the reason why I shorted this token is we see that it has breached the overbought levels several times. So it has broken overbought levels 3 times here, and as we can see in the charts, it has been losing steam. So after breaching the overbought levels 3 times, the last attempt already failed to reach overbought levels. So it appears that this token is already poised to going further down. Okay, and I may close my short position in this token once it reaches overbought or oversold levels. So I'm going to just hold on to my short bet until this coin until the RSI of this token has reached the oversold area. Okay, so that's 2 of our tokens that we've been closely watching. And this coming week, we will of course look into more meme coins. I'm looking at these coins because people are really into this, and and the price movements in this category of crypto coins or cryptocurrencies really has opportunity. Okay, so I see some opportunity here if you're looking into short-term trades. Okay, so that's my opinion about meme coins. Okay, so previously I really don't like meme coins. I actually short meme coins, all the meme coins that I see pumping all the time. But recently, I have learned that some of these meme coins are really gaining strength, and that it's really not a good idea to just keep on shorting them. And you really need to apply the charts when dealing with this meme coins. Well, maybe especially those that are in Solana. Those Solana meme coins are really strong. So anyway, I think that's should do it for our Sunday broadcast for this week, and hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow. I do this every day, 10 a.m. GMT plus 8. Okay, so stay safe, guys. Have a blessed Sunday, and happy trading.